With an ever-growing deficit, the nation is in deep, deep shit. But a modest proposal can give us a lift, and it's far more effective than Jonathan Swift's. Sell the door, sell the poor. It's the death of the debt, to be sure. Nothing really would be lost if welfare checks and bus exhaust and heaping, hiking, healthcare costs. Sell the poor. It's the cure for the poor, who we've paid Medicaid to insure. Lift a lung, extracted kidney, sell to Seoul, Shanghai, or Sydney, marry off the rest of let me sell the poor. Indenture has a lure. If they're trained, they can build furniture. No need to be the greedy brats, or then they're both red Democrats. But who will we send to combat? Sell the poor, sell the poor, except the ones who face the guns in our wars. Keep the ones who in the trenches toil or clean our homes or plant our soil. The others we can trade for oil. Sell everyone who pays rent or needs count every cent. Give all to the affluent, screw the 99%. Sell the poor.